Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds Sony. And firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that we need to turn off it. So right here at the left headphone we have controls. You need to press and hold at the middle one to turn off your headphones. Here we go. And now your headphones are disconnected from your phone, so we need to turn on it next. So press and hold the same middle button, and we just turn on it and it reconnect to your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!